Greetings to all. In this presentation, I would like to share the purpose and the outcomes of our recent community service project under the title Utilization of Smart Farming Learning Media based on the Internet of Things to improve the competence of vocational teachers. My name is Hassan Nurlina as one of the members of the team initiated by Aris Widyo Nugroho, Toto Suwanda, Fitroh Anugrah Kusuma Yuda, and Aditya Kurniawan from the Mechanical Engineering Department, Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Muhammadiyah, Yogyakarta, and I myself from the Department of the Communication Science, Universitas Negeri Surabaya. As for the background itself, this project was initiated due to the need of equipping vocational teachers with the necessary skills and knowledge to compete in the era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0, where the Internet of Things, or IoT, as one of the technologies driving this industrial era, has actually a great potential to improve efficiency and effectiveness in the learning process, and it can actually applied it can actually be applied in the field of agriculture. So this study takes place in SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Yogyakarta as a representation of the challenges and solutions faced by vocational education institution in this digital era, which they have the limited access to trainer devices for IoT applications. So to overcome this challenge, our project was to organize training sessions on the Internet of Things by providing these vocational teachers with basic IoT knowledge and skills specifically applied to agriculture. Additionally, we also provided them trainer kit facilities and also comprehensive training modules. So for the method of this project, when carrying out this training, participants were also given the trainer kits, which included components such as lamp, relay 2 channel, microcontroller, extend pin microcontroller, and then temperature and humidity sensor, and also soil hygrometer and moisture sensor, and also waterproof temperature sensor, and last, the water pump. So the Internet of Things training was a one-day training, which was conducted on Friday, 1st of March 2024, with 8 participants coming from teachers with electrical, mechanical, communication, and networking backgrounds. And the training was carried out in 3 stages, where we give them theory, and then after giving them theory, we give them also practical sessions and also evaluation, which include the pre-test and first test. And this pre-test and first-test content or consists of 15 questions with 3 categories, such as the basic understanding of IoT, IoT applications, and also IoT components and programming languages. As for the results of these trainings, participants were able to work on 5 pieces of the training kits, and that after we deliver the basic theory of IoT, they were able to understand this basic theory, including the programming language or coding, and that they were also able to work on the simulation suite or running the simulation as well. So after they understand the theory and able to work on the simulation. Participants were also able to follow the practical sessions where they were able to work on the basic programming language exercises, and that they were able to work on the case studies given on control and monitoring in agriculture. And based on the evaluation of training activities by comparing the pre-test and post-test scores, these training activities could also improve the competence of these teachers by them having the average pre-test score from 60.7 to average post-test score of 83.9. So there is an increase from the pre-test score to the post-test score. So to conclude, the Internet of Things training for the smart farming in SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Yogyakarta has been conducted and proved to be effective and quite communicative. The participants' competence related to the Internet of Things has actually improved, and that was based on the pretest from the pretest and post-test scores, and is next expected to provide significant benefits for improving the quality of education, industrial relevance, and also the student competitiveness. I think that's all from me. Thank you so much for your attention.